on this alliance thing, I know people are still kind of
Went to New Orleans yesterday and picked up a bit of scrap sterling silver jewelry.
We're really looking at something that's going to flourish
Some really vintage stuff.
as a league. I think it'll be closer to
And I'm getting ready to clean it all. Thought you might
somebody last night on social media
enjoy
about
watching it
the
being
more you
cleaned.
put these, what would it be, 41 schools together, the more you probably are going to put yourself in jeopardy of antitrust laws at some point. That's an angle I hadn't even thought about. But, the legal minds would think about. So I really don't think in the end you're going to have a conference that stretches coast to coast, because some people have taken this presumption about that. I think
Sorry the camera's being shaky. I wanted to show you this. This is a very cool piece. It's a peanut with a top on it and a deep container that goes all the way down for what I would assume would be, could be perfume, could be pills possibly, but that's going to clean up beautifully, and I'll show it to you. This is a sterling belt buckle, a western one with a sterling loop holder, and then this, years ago, guys wore those on the very ends of their belts. But the vintage stuff sells. As I told you, I have a jewelry booth at the Flowood Antique Market. And I'm going to be cleaning this. Thought you guys might enjoy watching me clean it. I'll be cleaning some of it using the 6808 mini tumbler, which is here. And if you notice, I already have some pieces of jewelry in the container. What I'm going to try to do is go ahead and get this started so you can see it running and what it does. Maybe you can see that. I'll put the lid on it. By the way, I know you've noticed my sleek new figure. No, just kidding. But I have dropped 13 pounds since I put the video on about stopping sugar. And I'll be honest with you, I feel great. I feel totally better. And I have another 13 or so pounds to go. So I'm about halfway to my goal. I don't want to look the way I looked. That may be a little bit of vanity, I don't know, but if it is, so be it. But at 70 years old, I probably shouldn't be worried the way I look. But all right, what I'm going to do is turn it to pause, and then I'm going to set my timer to 30 minutes. Turn it back on. It'll be rather noisy, and I'll pick you up down in the living room where you can watch me clean my gold. Thanks. Oh, I'm sorry. Watch me clean my sterling. Thanks. Pretty. This is a great piece. It's a parrot, sterling silver, and old. I'm not certain how old, but if I was guessing, I would say 60s, thereabouts. I have my cleaning concoction in this container, water in this container, baking soda in this container. Is it soda or powder? Arm & Hammer. Well, that's what I use to kind of polish it, and then I'll give it a final rinse after that. I'm very excited to check out what this parrot looks like. So I'll leave this in for about 10 or 12 seconds, not long at all. Let it drip. Put it in the cleaner. This is a sterling silver piece. It's a cartouche. Each of these are symbols. Forgive me if you guys can't see it. And the symbols say something. What, I do not know. I'll probably get online and look up sterling cartouches, and I can probably find this without too much problem at all. I'm not going to show you every piece unless it's something really cool, really neat. Now, I'm not going to sit here and bore you guys with watching me clean. I think I have about 200 pieces. What I am going to do is show you kind of like the final process here. And actually everything didn't come off, but it's made a great difference with this. I'm going to give this a quick rinse and bring it back here and let you guys hopefully see a difference in what it was before I cleaned it. I want to do this right, so excuse me, let me go get my tooth. Alright guys, it's the next morning since I started cleaning my sterling that I told you I just got down in New Orleans. Over to some really nice pieces. It looks so nice cleaned. There's the parrot I showed you. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. This I think is a compact. It's sterling and it cleaned up real nice. And it has a date of 1916 on it. Yeah, I sure would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel, Master of Nothing. And as you watch each video, it'd be really neat if you hit the like button. Hope you guys have a terrific day. Thanks for watching.